The final feature I wanted to point out is not in the Explorer site itself, but is an extension available in the Chrome Web Store. If you install this extension, it will help you explore Korean text in any website you are on. Activate the extension by clicking on its extension toolbar icon when visiting a website. It will automatically notice any Korean text you hover over or select in pages on that site and present an Explore tag that, if pressed, invites you to either save that text for later study or open it immediately for study in the Explorer website. The beta release has an extension only for Chrome, and it is still relatively simple. Later releases will provide extensions for Safari and other browsers, and will allow you to view and interact with the Explorer analysis in an overlay on the page you are in, so you don't have to leave the site at all. Well, thanks very much for watching this introductory video. We hope you will use Mirinae Explorer to turn any Korean text you encounter into a learning experience, or to use it as a rich online grammar reference that you can search just by giving it examples of the topics you are studying.